coming up on the end of April, and we got a nice little snowstorm. I was telling myself all winter I wanted to do a winter project, and well, apparently since it's still winter, so I'm just out with the M11 and gonna take advantage of the snow here. There's something right here I want to take this one in the car here, so I don't feel like getting wet again. It's so wet out. Oh, there's so much good stuff out here, man. I'm not gonna cap with you guys either. Like, Todd Heido has been big inspiration for just a lot of the way I want to shoot. It's mainly just like opening up my eyes to just seeing things differently out where I live, because it's a lot of flat land. I think part of the goal today, too, because I'm kind of just wandering about aimlessly, is I just want to capture like a few scenes that I know of on this road. Just saw an awesome one I'll try and remember to get on my way back. Hopefully I'm paying attention. I got one similar to it, but I feel like that was better. There's a few images, a few scenes that I want to get, and I want to... Oh. There's cars on this road. I want to try and print these photos too today and see how they come out. Okay, so I'm on a bit of a time crunch. I'm gonna head out here first, and then I'm gonna get these other photos on the way back. That way I can just see if this is worth it first, because there's a lot of stuff here that I'm seeing right now I want to show you guys. I think it's really cool. There's like sheep, and it's kind of just like a desolate flatland barn area. Looks pretty sweet. All right, so this is location one. It's kind of hard to see, but got a bunch of lambs, sheep. I call them lambs. I'm an idiot. Let me go see what photos I can get. This is gonna be fun. I think this is the closest I've ever been to a sheep. Ah! Wait, no, it's llamas that spit. And there's a donkey out here, y'all. This is awesome. Let me get the camera. Oh my gosh, so many are coming. This is fun. All right, my camera is getting soaked. I gotta go. Thankfully, everything I want to photograph is like right here though, so let's do it. All right, and then this is like one of two last locations. I actually shot this location in my, I may have shown it in my other Leica video, the one where I revealed this camera, but I'm not sure. But the fact that it's just like wet and raining and we got some flowing water here, it's a lot better now. Kind of just snapping away. I'm not really taking my time right now, but it's really nice out. I really wish I could spend the day just shooting. Okay, first of all, if you guys can see it, this camera is soaked. I gotta wipe it off real quick. But yeah, again, real quick on Todd Heido, just the inspiration I'm kind of just gathering just from his work as of late is just like, it's really just speaking to me in terms of just like, because I just want to shoot, and I'm just like, it's not that it's partly because I'm not interested in street photography, but it's just like I have to drive so far into the city to shoot street photography, and I don't want to have to do that, you know, all the time. I want to be able to enjoy the beauty of like the mundaneness of out here, and be able to like create from that, you know, create in my neighborhoods and stuff like that. That's what I want to be. That's what I want to be able to do. I freaking almost dropped the camera. All right, and this is the last location. It was similar to something I had shot earlier, Trying to be careful walking down here. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like a big ledge. Similar to what I shot earlier. I just want to be able to capture this one because it looks a little more unique, vast. It kind of looks like that water there kind of turns the corner, which I like a lot. All right, you guys, I have to head home because I have to get ready for this event. But while that's happening, I'm probably just gonna edit a few photos and then maybe print tonight, maybe print in the morning. So I have some better light to like show you guys the prints. But for the most part, it's pretty fun. It was pretty nice to be able to get out and just capture photos like in these conditions. I've always wanted to do it. I have done it in the past. I just, you know, winter, it's cold, want to be lazy and stuff like that. It's just like, you know, just toughen up and get wet, get cold, and just make some photos that I'll most likely really love, probably have for the next print swap. If you guys want any of these prints for yourselves, you can purchase them from me. Just like ask down below in the comments or DM me on Instagram, like which photo you want, and I'll be happy to like set you guys up so that can print something, get it to you guys.